Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Cam. Today I'm going to show y'all how to do a glueless frontal install. Right now I'm just doing a basic sewing method. You can use any method that you want as long as it's flat and tight. About the lace is HD and I just use lace tint from Tailored Crown in the color caramel. And some may not know, it is two different ways to cut around the ear. In this case, since we're doing glueless, you want to cut more downward so you can have more hair in front of your ear. So when you attach the elastic band, that hair and that extra support is still right there. I know some people might have questions on why I'm sewing this way for a lace frontal sewing install. If y'all want a more detailed video, just leave a comment below. For this install, I only use lace tint, Tailored Crown Caramel. For these curls, I was just using my regular Marcel iron as a replacement for my wand. But for future references, I would just use my wand. Yes, this install is completely 100% glueless. I want to thank y'all for watching my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share all this content because we need our subscribers to go up.